Hey, welcome back to Yoga Therapy Thursdays. This is the last week in our shoulder mobility series, and we're finishing up by stretching out the muscles surrounding the neck. You don't usually think about your neck as far as shoulder mobility goes, but it's a very integral part in how we move our upper body. This week, instead of showing you different stretches for your neck, I'm going to show you how to use a ball to roll out or break up the fascia in your neck. So here I have a ball that's similar to about the size of a tennis ball. You can use any type of ball that you would like. Just know here I have a rubber ball that's about the size of well, it's smaller than a tennis ball. You use any type of ball you'd like. A tennis ball has a great ability to squish. Lacrosse balls work great too. They're a little bit more firm. Roller hockey balls, or even you could use a golf ball, but I would put very, very, very little pressure if you're using a golf ball. I'm going to take my ball and place it at the edge of a wall, and then I'm going to take my upper trap, which a lot of times we call our shoulders. It's not really our shoulders, it's a muscle that helps move our shoulder, but it's right up here. And this is where a lot of us hold tension. If we lift our shoulders up or if we get cold in the winter, I'm going to place this muscle right onto the ball so my head goes past the wall. I'm just going to lean into it. And it might feel really good, and you can just stay there. You can try swaying your arm. You can try shaking your head, yes and no. And you can even roll side to side or up and down. You can try all sorts of different ways to roll this up. You can even come around towards the front side of your neck, maybe even to the top part of the collarbone. And you can even take the ball and place it on this side of the wall and then press your neck onto the ball this way. And here, again, you can roll, you can shake your head, yes and no. You can do anything that feels right for you. So thank you for joining me this week on Yoga Therapy Thursdays. I'll see you next week, but don't forget to check out my co-host for more ways to stretch out your neck.